In the 1930s, in Hungary, a young man named Karoly Takács dreamed of becoming the best pistol shooter in the world. He was passionate, hard-working, and known among his peers for his discipline. His biggest dream? To represent Hungary and win an Olympic gold medal in shooting. At that time, Hungary had many skilled shooters, but Karoly was different. He was determined not just to compete, he wanted to be the best. His training was intense and his focus was unmatched. By the late 1930s, he was already recognized as one of Hungary's finest marksmen. But then, life tested him in a way no one could imagine. In 1938, while serving in the Hungarian army, tragedy struck. A faulty grenade exploded in Karoly's right hand, his shooting hand. The injury was devastating. His dominant hand was completely destroyed. For most athletes, that would have been the end. The hand that held his dreams, his years of training, and his Olympic hopes was gone forever. Everyone assumed his career was over. Fellow shooters pitied him. Coaches said it was impossible. Friends encouraged him to move on with his life. But Karoly didn't listen. Instead of giving up, Karoly made a bold decision. He would teach himself to shoot with his left hand. Think about that. He wasn't ambidextrous. He hadn't trained with his left hand before, but his mindset was, I lost my right hand, but I still have my left. Why should I quit? Quietly, without announcing it to the world, he began practicing every single day. For months, then years, Karoly worked in complete silence, training his left hand to do what his right hand once did so naturally. He didn't want sympathy. He didn't want people to say, poor Karoly. He wanted results. So he trained in private, carrying his dream quietly inside him. In 1939, just 1 year after the accident, Hungary held its national shooting championship. No one expected to see Karoly there, but he showed up. People whispered, "Isn't that the guy who lost his hand?" Others thought he was just there to watch. But Karoly shocked everyone when he signed up to compete, this time with his left hand. And what happened? He won the championship. Not only did he win, but he defeated Hungary's best shooters who had both hands intact. In that moment, the world realized Karoly Takács was not finished. He was just getting started. Karoly had his eyes set on the Olympics, but fate tested him again. 1940 Olympics, canceled due to World War II. 1944 Olympics, canceled again because of the war. That meant he had to wait until 1948, a full 10 years after his accident, to finally compete on the Olympic stage. Imagine the patience, the discipline, and the burning determination he carried all those years. Most people would have given up, but Karoly never let go of his dream. The moment of glory, London, 1948. Finally in London, at the 1948 Olympics, Karoly represented Hungary. He was 38 years old, much older than most competitors. With his left hand steady, his eyes focused, and years of silent practice behind him, he competed against the best pistol shooters in the world. And he won. Karoly Takács became the Olympic champion in rapid-fire pistol shooting, proving to the world that nothing is impossible if you refuse to quit. But that's not all. 4 years later, at the Helsinki Olympics, Karoly did it again. He defended his title and won another Olympic gold medal. From losing his shooting hand in 1938 to becoming a 2-time Olympic champion, Karoly's story became one of the greatest examples of perseverance in sports history. Karoly Takács never let excuses define him. He never let setbacks stop him. He never let pity destroy his willpower. Instead, he showed the world that obstacles are not the end, They are opportunities. Limitations are not permanent. They are challenges to be overcome. Success doesn't belong to the strongest. It belongs to those who never give up. His journey is still remembered today as a shining symbol of resilience and determination. Karoly Takács teaches us one of the most powerful lessons of life. You don't need the perfect conditions to achieve greatness. You just need the perfect determination to keep going no matter what. So whenever life knocks you down, remember Karoly. He lost his shooting hand, but not his dream. He lost his chance in 2 Olympics, but not his patience. He lost his comfort, but not his courage. And that's why the world remembers him as the man who showed us all how to never give up.